Now let's just move on further towards the question number 2, which says write first 4 terms of AP when A is 10, D is 10, A is minus 1.25, D is minus 0.25. So let's just find out the first 4 terms. So let us suppose if we are starting with the very first term, as we can see, the first term of the AP is already given to us as nothing but A is equal to 10, and the common difference is mentioned to us. Common difference is mentioned to us as nothing but D, which is nothing but is equal to 10. So let's just find out the first 4 terms. So let us suppose if I am taking the very first term as nothing but A1, if I am taking the very first term as A1, so hence let if the terms of AP are A1, A2, A3, A4 and so goes on. So let's just start with finding out A2. We know that every succeeding term is obtained by adding the fixed number to the preceding terms. Means if A1 is nothing but 10, then A2 would be nothing but A1 plus of D, which is nothing but 10 plus of D, that is 10, which is nothing but 20, and further A3 would be like nothing but A2 plus of D, which is nothing but 20 plus of 10, which is nothing but 30, and further A4 would be like A3 plus of D, and A3 is 30 plus of 10, which is nothing but 40. So hence A1 is 10, A2 is 20, A3 is 30 and A4 is nothing but 40. So these are the first 4 terms, 10, 20, 30, 40 and so goes on for the very first arithmetic progression, as you can see. So using this method we can able to find out the 4 terms of an arithmetic progression. Now let's just talk about the second part. So in the second part we have the first term. We have the first term A1 as nothing but minus 1.25. We have the common difference D as nothing but minus 0.25. Again, let the terms are A1, A2, A3, A4, so goes on of an arithmetic progression. So we know A1 is nothing but minus 1.25. So A2 would be like A1 plus of D. This would be minus 1.25 plus of minus 0.25, which would be minus 1.25 minus 0.25, and at the end we will get the answer as minus 1.50. So hence the second term is nothing but minus 1.50. Now we'll talk about the third term. The third term would be nothing but A2 plus of D. The value of A2 is nothing but minus 1.50 plus of minus 0.25. So let's just add up these 2 terms. We will get the answer as minus 1.50 minus 0.2. 1.50 minus 0.25. So it means we are adding the term. So this is minus 1.75. This is nothing but our third term. Now let's just talk about the fourth one. This would be A3 plus of D, and A3 is minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25, and hence this would be minus 1.75 minus 0.25, which is nothing but definitely minus 2.00, and hence the 4 terms which are related with this particular arithmetic progression is minus 1.25, next is minus 1.50, next is minus 1.75, next is minus 2.00, and so goes on. So this represents our arithmetic progression having the first 4 terms as nothing but this. So this is all about the question number 2.